Right here. Got it. Mine too. Right here. Antenna. Here. Shoot.
No. Tase him. Hit him. Cops said shots fired. Cops said suspect down. Roll the VAC. Entry team make entry.
To the left.
Yeah, suspects down. Must make entry, please. Send them in. Move in. He's still got it. He's got tasers. Suspects down. He's still armed with a knife. Suspects.
Mohammed, I'm here for you, Mohammed. Talk to me. I want to make sure you're okay, Mohammed. Is there any food? Anything specific that you need to drink required? Any sort of medicine? Is there anything that you need that you haven't had? Is there something you're accustomed to in the morning? You need an antenna? Oh shit, shots fired.
Hold. Guys, you okay? Guys, are you okay? Matt, come back. Hold. Back up. Stand by. Right here. Gun. Mike 2. Right here. The antenna. Here. Shoot.
No. Cops and suspects out. Roll the VAC.
No, in the left.
Yeah, down. Drop the knife. Send them in. Move in. I don't want to. He's still got it. He's got it. Suspects down.
Oh, guys, you okay? Mohammed, you okay? Guys, are you okay? Man, come back. Who's fired? Speak up. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it. He's down. Hold him. Back up. Back him.